Children, today we are going to write CVC words, use sound words in our English class workbook, page number 10. The first picture is, this is a bug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. Red line to second blue line, standing line, come up and make a reverse C. U, blue line to blue line, U. C curve, go up, touch the bottom red line and make a curve, G. B-U-G, bug. Let's write once more. B-U-G, bug. This is a cub. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. For C, we will make a curve, blue line to blue line. U, B, red line to second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line and make a reverse C, B. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. This is a mug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. For M, standing line, touch the first blue line, make a curve, come down, again make a curve, come down to the second blue line. U, G, mug. M, U, G, mug. Then we have sun. S-U-N, sun. For S, we make a C curve, a reverse C curve. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Then we have bun. B-U-N, bun. For B, make a standing line, go up and make a curve. B-U-N, bun. One more time. B-U-N, bun. Now, in Let's Practice, we will write all the words 5 times. First word is B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. Then we have cub. C-U-B, cub. Then we have mug. M-U-G, mug. Next is sun. S-U-N, sun. And then bun. B-U-N, bun.